welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. Today, we are talking an in-depth look at a significant shift in the 2024 US presidential race. Kamala Harris has stepped as a candidate and her campaigns has already created waves that are challenging Donald Trump in unexpected ways. We will break down how Harris' rise is impacting the race and what this could mean for the future of the American politics. Let's dive into it. Kamala Harris officially became a candidate for the presidency on July 21st. This decision came after President Joe Biden, under pressure from fellow Democrats, decided to step aside. There was growing concern within the party about Biden's age, especially after the stumbled during a debate with Donald Trump on June 27. This stumble was not just physical, it symbolized the uncertainty many felt about Biden's ability to carry the party forward into the next election. Harris' entry into the race marked a turning point. She is not just another candidate, she is something who has quickly managed to capture the public's attentions and energize the Democratic base. Her candidacy has brought a new level of excitement to the race, something the Democrats desperately needed after months of uncertainty. Harris' momentum since announcing her candidacy. Harris has generated significant momentum. This is not just about her being a new face. It's about how she is managed to tap into the hopes and concern how many voters have campaign has quickly gained attractions with the people across the country rallying behind her. This shows his support has put Donald Trump on the defensive, some things that was not expected so early in the race. Trump is a seasoned campaigner who knows how to dominate the media and keep the focus on himself. However, Harris' rise has challenged his usual tactics. She is being able to draw attention away from Trump, making it harder for him to control the narratives like he did in previous election. This shift is significant because it shows that Harris is not just a challenger but a real contender who could perhaps the race. Fundraising dynamics on one of the most telling signs of Harris' growing influence is how she has outpaced Trump in fundraisings at least in the early stages. Trump has always been a strong fundraiser with a loyal base of supporters who have consistently contributed to his campaign. However, Harris' campaign has managed to raise more money in its first month than Trump's did in July. This is a big deal because it suggests that Harris is not only generating excitement but also convincing people to put their money where their mouth is. Talking about Trump's campaigns, along with its related affiliates, announced that they had raised $138.7 million in July. This is a substantial amount, showing that Trump still has a solid financial base. However, Harris' ability to raise more than this is just her first week speaks volume about the volume about the surrounding Hall campaigns. It also suggests that Trump might face more financial competitions than he expected. At the start of August, Trump's campaign reported having $3327 million in cash on hand. It's a huge amount. This is a huge sum that gives him a significant advantage going into the latter stages of the race. But the speed at which Harris is raising funds could narrow this gap faster than anticipated. If Harris continues to attract donors at this rate, Trump may find himself needing to ramp up his fundraising effort just to keep pace. Strategic moves and the road ahead this week. Harris, along with her vice presidential running mate Tim Walz, is talking her campaign on a bus tour through Georgia. Georgia is a critical state in the upcoming election, one that both parties are eager to win. By focusing on Georgia, Harris is making a strategic move to build support in a state that could be a deciding factor in November. Georgia has been in the spotlight since the last election, where it played a pivotal role in determining the outcome. The state changing demographics and the growing political engagements among its residents make it key battleground. Harvard's decisions to tour Georgia shows that she understands the importance of connecting with voters on the ground and building momentum in states that could swing the elections. Meanwhile, Trump is facing a different seats to challenge. His usual strategy of dominations, media coverage, and overwhelming his opponents with his presence is not working as well against Harris. She is proving to be a formidable opponent who can draw attention and generate excitement in ways that Trump may not have anticipated. This means Trump will need to adjust his strategy, possibly focusing more on direct voters' engagement and less on media theater. As both campaigns move forward, the dynamic of the race will continue to evolve. However, early success does not guarantee a win, but it does show that she is a serious contender who could reshape the election. Trump, on the other hand, will need to find new ways to maintain his lead and counter Harris' growing influence. The next few months will be very, very crucial as both candidates push their campaigns to new heights. Conclusions for this about the 2024 presidential race is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and unpredictable elections in recent memory. Kamala Harris' rapid rise has injected new energy into the Democratic Party and posed a serious challenge to Donald Trump. As the race heat up, we will continue to bring you in-depth analysis and updates here on Global Scope News. Keep watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on all the latest developments. I am Hossein Ali. Take care. Allah Hafiz.